Okay, everybody, welcome back. Um, I just wanted to say that I had a few different thoughts of what I was going to do today, but I decided upon working on a cursor for a game in Renpy. So it's still Renpy related, but it's also cursor related, it's art related, so I thought that that might be kind of fun to do. It's going to be a short video, I think. It's not that hard to make a cursor for the game, so I believe you can make your cursor any size, but I would stick with, like, for this cursor that we're going to do now, it's 32 pixels by 32 pixels, okay? So it's nice and small. And we're just going to do... I've been debating on what I want to do for this cursor, but to do it I'm going to have to do a little sketch here, and I'm actually going to have to mute myself, so we'll have like maybe a little bit of quiet time for a few seconds here while I work on doing a quick little sketch for our cursor that we're going to have, okay? So let me get started. Perfect. Okay, so I don't want to like take forever here, so we're not going to go like to high detail like my other paw print cursor. Okay, so this is my original paw print cursor that you guys probably recognize from my games. So this is kind of like the one we're doing right now, which is not nearly as epic, but that's okay. This is for our little game that we're making together that I will never post and share everywhere because it's silly. But yeah, so we got this. We're going to obviously take away the background because you don't want a background for this when you're making a game cursor. And so yeah. Now as you can see, this is the old cursor that we have. So all we gotta do to put this new cursor in, I saved it as cursor2 PNG. So I'm just going to change the number here so it says cursor2. And before we do that, of course, I forgot to do Shift R. So now it will refresh as soon as I hit it. So let's do that. File, save. I did Let's Clicker. And there, we have our new little cursor. And just to make sure, it is kind of hard to see here. Let me go to Load Game. We'll go to Auto. Yeah, we'll do it here. Okay. Just want to make sure how... Yeah, it seems to be pretty good for where the cursor is. You can see that little tiny arrow that we have there. It is there. So yeah, you want to kind of keep your cursor simple. Whether your cursor itself is the arrow pointing in that corner, or whether it's something else and there is that little arrow thing pointing. Because that's going to tell people where they're clicking. It's so hard to see down here, but I just want to make sure that where the buttons are. Okay, so that's the settings. Yeah, it's so dark it's hard to see. Load. Just want to make sure that we got. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, I guess it could be a little off, but like again, the cursor itself is, yeah, probably you can put it in the top-ish corner, but towards the left side, I feel, because it's definitely not towards the right side. Do not put it towards the right side. Put it towards the left side, because as you can see, sort of as we go over some of the numbers, it takes a little bit to go, but it's definitely not on the right side. So maybe a little bit more in the upper left-hand side, but you can do it sort of straight up or kind of angled a bit. I'm sure it won't matter too much. And yeah, it's not necessary for your game, but if you want to add it, it's a fun way to do it. And of course, this is, if you guys can't tell already, this is in the options that you add the cursor, okay? And you got the coding right there if you guys need to copy it. And I talked about it in my last video as well if you guys want. But yeah, this is just a short little video. I just wanted to do this real quickly for you guys. And I will be coming back with more Renpy videos in July. So keep an eye out for those. I'm going to be gone for all of June. So this is my last Renpy video until July. And I got like one more gaming video that's longer coming out. And then a week from today I have one more short gaming video coming out. It's only like a few minutes long. I think it's less than 5 minutes long. Still gonna premiere it though. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully we have some great ideas by then. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye!